Alright, next let's go to our application, which is our WooCommerce store. This one. So as you saw before, here we have our credentials of our WooCommerce store. So username and password, and also we want to create application credentials as well. So we will be able to access our WooCommerce store data files. As you remember in this previous example, when I showed you property where you have address, so it's your domain name, you have house, which is hosting, and now we want to access our data files, which is furniture. So just select your username and password. Since I'm using my domain name gokuplanet.com, I'll be using username gokuplanet, and I will choose my password. Click add. Alright, we just created our application credentials. With these credentials, we will be able to access our data files. I will show you why we need to do this in the next sections. I will include this link in the description as well, but you want to look for Filezilla. You want to download FTP software. So it's called Filezilla. So just download Filezilla client and install it to your computer. Alright, once you've finished installing Filezilla, just open it. This is how Filezilla looks like. So in this window you will be able to see all your data files of your WooCommerce store. But first we have to enter our credentials. Click on this site manager and you want to add new site. So let's call it Goku Planet, since this is my domain name, my application name, so you can call it whatever you want. And here we will enter our credentials. So host will be public IP. We'll enter our host here. And port you want to select 22. And logon type, select normal. So username, the one which we created previously, is Goku Planet, and enter your password. I almost forgot, you must change this section right here. Choose as FTP. So hit OK. And once you click here, you will be able to see your account. Just click Goku Planet, press OK. And once you are connected, here you will be able to see all data files of your website. So there's only one folder which is important to you, and so there's only one folder which should be important to you, and it's called public HTML. This is where your all data files are stored. As you can see, WordPress settings, WordPress alt, WordPress mail. So WordPress includes WordPress content. So these are all files of your website. So as you can see here, we have themes, plugins, and all other information. So now you know how to access your data files. The reason why I wanted to show you how to install Filezilla and how to access your data files is because that in next sections we will be using Filezilla to do certain things. So that's why I wanted to show you how to access your data files using Filezilla.